Comrades, ngiyabonga. Ngicela uqala ngibonge ngiwelcome ubaba uNcamalala. Baba Ncamalala, siyakwelcome kule mcimbi omkhulu kangaka. Siyabonga baba ukuthi uzile. Comrades, ngicela ngokuqala futhi ngibonge nina ngokuthi nize. Ni-sacrifice into eziningi ngabe niyazenza nize lana namhlanje. Namhlanje usuku olukhulu kumkhonto wesizwe. Siqeda unyaka sikhona siyiphathi sizelwe. Happy birthday Mkhonto, happy. Happy birthday Mkhonto, happy. Namhlanje ke ilanga elikhulu kuthina siumkhonto wesizwe la sizo celebrate khona umsebenzi sisiwenzile kulonyaka sizelwe. Uma ngabe ke nifuna ukunderstanda umsebenzi owenziwe uNcamalala umsunguli waleli qembu, funeka siqale ngokwazi ukuthi yini enziwe ubaba uNcamalala esesehhovisi engekakhishwa. President Zuma had a lot of achievements in the office. One of his achievements, there was no load shedding under President Zuma. Ngizoyibala nje lezi zinto bese ngiyalaqinisekela kuzona. There was no load shedding under President Zuma. Secondly, President Zuma was the pioneer of BRICS. Uyena wayephambili ku BRICS. Thirdly, President Zuma kwakhiwa ama-universities ngeyikhathi zakhe eyisomongameli kwakhiwa ama-universities. Okwesine, i-rollout yama-ARVs ya-increase under President Zuma. Okwesihlanu, imali ezayifakwa ubaba uZuma kwi-education yayiningi. Ngizocela ukuthi ngidishe nalezi zinto ngi-elaborate kuzona. When viva President Zuma, viva! When load shedding reared its ugly head, President Zuma responded categorically by appointing suitably qualified engineers into ESCOM, and the CEO, Comrade Brian Molefe, was the man in charge. He was determined to end load shedding. We all know that the problem with load shedding, it is because the bulk of our electricity is generated by coal. Ugesi omningi wenziwa amalahle. Therefore, in order to control and minimize load shedding, you've got to control the price of coal. Uma ngabe i-price yamalahle singayicontrol, ngeke silwe ne-load shedding. When President Zuma left the office, there was no load shedding at all. Viva President Zuma, viva! There was no load shedding at all when President Zuma left the office. Kwi-BRICS, ubaba uZuma kwayuyena wayephambili. He was instrumental. He was the pioneer ye-BRICS. I-BRICS niyazi ukuthi before ibe khona besidlala i-America. Yonke into yenziwa ngedola. Ma ufuna ukuthenga into ngisho la eLesotho noma la eBotswana noma eZimbabwe, you have to use the dollar. I-BRICS is an attempt to break away from that. I-BRICS yona eyenza sithole ama-loans on ama-terms are favorable to us. Ngoba inkinga nge-West, nge-IMF, no World Bank, uma ngabe sifuna ama-loans basinika ngama-terms abo, which are onerous and difficult to comply with. I-BRICS yona isinikeza ama-loans ngama-terms are reasonable, ngama-terms that we can easily comply with. The other advantage of BRICS, Siyazi ukuthi Iran produces the oil. The cheapest oil you can get in the world is oil from Iran. There is no reason why we should not be buying oil from Iran. Ubaba Nxamalala was instrumental with BRICS. Ama universities, iSol Plaatje University and Northern Cape Kimbal, the University of Mpumalanga, and Nelspruit as it was called. Akhona loma universities namhlanje. Yayingekho university eKimbal qala. Yayingekho futhi university eMpumalanga. Namhlanje akhona lawo ma universities akho Babu Zuma, uNxamalala nangehleli la. Kwaphinda lapho eKZN kwakukhona a Higher College of Education, iAdams College. Ubaba wenza substantial renovations kuyona kwaze kwakhona nama blocks amasha. Wasebenza uNxamalala, wasebenza ku-education uNxamalala. Emva kwaloko sisakhuluma ngezakhiwo nje ezibalekile ezafakwa uNxamalala. Esinye was the High Court eMpumalanga. Yayingekho iHigh Court eMpumalanga. Namhlanje kukhona iHigh Court, kuhlala amajaji amakhulu kabi. Mina kangiselona ijaji ngaxoshwa. Angiselona kodwa yahlala amajaji amakhulu lapha eMpumalanga. Viva Nxamalala, viva! Enye i-contribution enkulu eyenziwa ubaba uNxamalala esehhovisi. Sasinenkinga ye-AIDS, HIV and AIDS, abantu bebefa left, right and center. Uhulumeni wayekhona ngaphambi kababa uNxamalala wayethi hayi ayikho inkinga, sidla ucarrot no beetroot sizophila sobangcono. Kwangena ubaba uNxamalala e-office kwawa ne-roll out yama ARVs. So ngithini? Okay. Long live Nxamalala, long live.
Comrades kancane abantu ngale emuva abezwa. Lungisa mlungisi. Lungisa mlungisi abantu bezwe ngale emuva. Ngiyazwakala comrades le emuva. Akuzwakali. Ubani ulungisa isound? Lungisa ulungisayo sound. Akakhulumi seyilungisile. Sharp bathi lungile. Bathi lungile. Oh.
Bathi lungile sound. Ngiyabonga. Viva comrades, viva! Waphinda ubaba uNxamalala. Abantu bakithi befa i-HIV and AIDS. Wafika wa-increase i-rollout yama ARVs. Engakangene office kwakuthiwa abagulayo abane-HIV and AIDS abadla beetroot no carrot. Wafika ubaba wayishintsha yonke lonto. Wafaka imithi basinda abantu bakithi. Those are some of his achievements. Kwi-education kwezemfundo ubaba uNxamalala wafaka imali eningi kwimfundo. Iningi imali ayingena kwi-budget yezemfundo ngoba ubaba uNxamalala uyabelieve kwimfundo. Indeed, there is no self-respecting country that does not invest in education. Kodwa kuthema sekuhamba ubaba uNxamalala, imali esiyibonayo namhlanje engena kwezemfundo, ama-budgets bawehlisile. Imfundo isiyinkinga kakhulu ebantwini bakithi abampisholo, especially abantwini abangasebenzi. Kwakubaba uNxamalala wa-introduce i-concept ye-free education. Le amanye amaphathi esegijima nayo namhlanje as if into yabo. Long live Baba uNxamalala, long live. Siyabonga Baba uNxamalala. These are some of our achievements eza noBaba uNxamalala. And ngeke ngikwazi, I cannot do justice to today's presentation without highlighting ama-achievements enziwa ubaba uNxamalala esesehhovisi. Obvious lezo zinto zamenza ubaba uNxamalala wanyama nempana. Abangamfuniyo baqala bamzonda kwathi unjeya thina kasona iphukuphuku ngeke thina sidlala belungu. Siyazi ukuthi baba uNxamalala bamxosha ngoba ngalezi zinto lezi sengiyibalile bengafuni bricks ngoba befuna kube ne-load shedding njengoba isekhona namhlanje ngoba i-load shedding siyazi into yamabomu. Uthema ephuma ubaba uNxamalala e-office kwangena uMr Cyril Ramaphosa. Underline Mr Cyril Ramaphosa. Wangena ke njengoba esekhona namhlanje. Uthe ngene office, he was determined to undo everything that ubaba had done before him. NgesiZulu ngolimi lwesintu, he had a clear agenda ezobhidliza yonke into eyakho ubaba uNxamalala ngoba wayengayifuni. Sesiyabona ke manje ukuthi ungene nje lapha e-office ene-agenda ethunywe obasi bakhe abelungu. Thema efika kungakakhali inkungu kabi isikhathi esingakanani yabuya i-load shedding. As soon as Ramaphosa took over, load shedding became the order of the day. Uvuke kuseni ungekho ugesi noma uvuka ukhona uphele mina ugesi mangabe ungaphelanga emini uthi uyofika ekhaya ebusuku ufike ngobumnyama. Nakho umsebenzi kaRamaphosa wacisha wonke umsebenzi omuhle owenziwa ubaba uNxamalala. As a result of load shedding eyaqhubeka iminyaka ngeminyaka, abantu abaningi baluza imisebenzi, especially small businesses bayiluza imisebenzi abantu. Under the leadership of Mr. Ramaphosa, the level of poverty, particularly among black people, has increased. Unemployment is very high, sitting at just over 32%. Youth unemployment is in excess of 60% today, something unheard of ngesikhathi sikababa uNxamalala. Abantu abancane bethu, ingane zethu, eyiningi are unemployed and some are unemployable because abazali abanamali eyanele yokubasa esikoleni. Izinto ezazingekho lezi ngesikhathi sikaNxamalala. Uthema ebonaka ubaba uNxamalala ukuthi hayi izwe lishintshile manje. Liyonakala. Le ANC kaRamaphosa akuseyona le owayijoyina ubaba ngo-1959 ngangizalwa mina ngaleso sikhathi. Wabona ukuthi ishintshile i-ANC yanamhlanje le ephethwe uRamaphosa akuseyona lesiyaziyo. Waqala kubaba uNxamalala wenza izinto zakhe. Ngikhumbula ngimbona ngo-2022 sikhuluma naye wathi kumina ubaba uNxamalala kunebhodwe elincane aliphekayo kodwa lelo bhodwe selizovuthwa. Kwakusho yena ubaba uNxamalala. Wathi lelo bhodwe aliphekayo selizovuthwa. Kwathi kungekudalanga wajoyina iSANCO ubaba uNxamalala ngamabomu enzela ukuthi bangamboni ukuthi wenzani. Yena ngoba ungqondo wayeyazi into ayenzayo. Wajoyina iSANCO emva kwaloko kuthe kungekudala ngoSeptember 2023 kulonyaka uphelile uMkhonto weSizwe Party was officially registered as a political party. Kwaza Mkhonto kwaza! Viva Mkhonto weSizwe, viva! Gwaza Mkhonto weSizwe, gwaza! Umkhonto weSizwe lokugwazayo-ke namhlanje warejistarishwa as a political party ngoSeptember 2023. Wathuleka emva kwaloko, wathula ubaba uNcamalala, bathula nabantu abangasifuni. Kwazothi mhla ka-16 kuDisemba 2023, Umkhonto weSizwe, which was already registered as a party, was formally launched e-Orlando. Kwagcwele ihlabathi, abantu bengathi ihlabathi zolwandle. Wathi ubaba uMsholozi mayelontsha Umkhonto weSizwe, is either we fight or we surrender. Siyalwa, sibheka phambili, noma singena phansi kwey'keti zomama bethu, siyasaba, singamagwala. Thina-ke esilidwa ubaba, esiholwa ubaba uMsholozi, asiwona amagwala. Omama bethu kudala basishiya, ngeke sibuyele ey'ketini zabo siyocasha khona. Wasifundisa ubaba uMsholozi ukuthi we must fight. Indeed siyalwa. Commanders, we must fight. Emva konyaka ke manje sesicelebrate unyaka wokuzalwa. I-theme yalonyaka ithi 1 year into reclaiming our future. The first year, this is the first year la sesireclaima khona i-future yethu, whereby we're going to take our rightful place. Mhla ka-29 kaMay 2024, i-history yenzeka, saqopha umlando eMzansi Afrika. Sayokhethweni, sawina ngamalengiso. Gwaza Mkhonto, gwaza! Sayokhethweni, sawina ngamalengiso. We won the election with flying colors. Everybody knows that, so much so that we all know that the results of the election were rigged. There were 25 political parties in South Africa, including the MK party, that complained about the results of the election. There were 25 parties. Some, of course, gladly welcomed the results of the election. Thina ke sathi siMkhonto weSizwe, asizona ithutha, siyabona ukudlalwe ngathi, siyabona amavote ethu bawantshontshile. That's why kusenecala namhlanje lisaqhubeka lelo cala ezinkantolo. Ngesilungu, we broke the back of the ANC. Sayishaya i-ANC yalala phansi, kulibona iselesele malishayiswe imoto seliflat kanje. The ANC had a majority before the election. The ANC lost its majority after the election. ANC lost 71 seats in parliament. We have 58 seats in the National Assembly. Viva MK, viva! The MK has 58 seats in the National Assembly, namhlanje, and 5 seats in the National Council of Provinces. That's a huge achievement for a party and a new kid in the bloc. This forced the ANC to form what is known as the Government of National Unity, so-called Government of National Unity. It's so-called Government of National Unity because at best this is a coalition. DA is controlling the ANC under Ramaphosa, under the banner of a GNU. We all know this is an alliance of blue lights. We are not going to be part of the Blue Lights Brigade. Kumkhonto weSizwe. kuningi ma-Afrika kuningi maqabane okwenziwe umkhonto wesizwe since we got into power. Ngicela kuyi-highlight kafishane nje izinto esizenzile. Since inception, umkhonto wesizwe party has grown. Uyakhula nanamhlanje. 5 weeks ago ngangise Hammersdale, where we welcomed more than 300 new members. They came in the main from other political parties. Babefika impela nezikipa zabo, sabafaka ezethu izikipa, sabakhipha nezinto zabo beyigqoka, abanye bebegqoka ama-overall, abanye begqoka izikipa, yonke imbala le. Bayikhumula yonke lonto babahle bafana nathi kanje. As late as 2 days ago, lena elento eThabazimbi, we welcomed more than 150 new members. Ebeyibaleka kwelinye iqembu elisiyalazi ke lonke lelo qembu liyafa liyahlakazeka ngisaliboni nje manje. Beza kuthina ngoba i-message zethu nomsebenzi wethu uyazwakala. Okwesithathu, enye njalo yama-achievements yomkhonto wesizwe. Umkhonto wesizwe, I stand here, is an official opposition in parliament. Thina esiphethe lapha si-official opposition. Njoba si-official opposition kwi-national parliament, ithina esilapha to ensure that kukhona accountability. That is the role of the official opposition. We also want to participate meaningfully and effectively in the affairs of this country, in the formulation of the laws and policies of this country. Okwesine, kuma provinces nakhona sikhona. ENatali kwaZulu si official opposition. NaseMpumalanga si official opposition si umkhonto wesizwe. Amandla! Viva Mkhonto, viva! Okunye ma-Afrika, kwathi mhla ka-26 kaSeptember kuwo lo nyaka ophezulu kwa-adoptwa i-constitution ebesingenayo siyumkhonto wesizwe. Ninake genge encane nijwayele uTikTok niyenibone sithukwa yilama politicians angekho eNational Assembly agcwele kuTikTok athi sisitokofela asinayo ngisho i-constitution. Akekho namhlanje umuntu ongathi umkhonto wesizwe isitokofela. Sine constitution like all other political parties and we are proud of our constitution. Viva Mkhonto wesizwe, viva! Okunye enye achievement, I think ka-6 or ka-7 lena. Sibancane singaka siwumkhonto wesizwe. Sesifike kuma-by-elections. Sesiwine amawadi amabili kuma-by-elections. Sawini iwadi yokuqala eRustenburg, Ward 45 in Rustenburg. We won the by-election. Sapinda sabashaya phansi sabathela phansi ngenduku kwaZulu eSouth Coast kuWard 14 saphinda sawina. Sibasha sinje sifika sinje sesingene kuma-by-elections sawashaya phansi amaqembu okudala ekhona, amanye asiqede neminyaka eyishumi ekhona. Sathola amaward amabili, Ward 45 elento eRustenburg no Ward 14 eSouth Coast. Viva Mkhonto, viva! Sikhokhele Nxamalala, sikhokhele! Njengamanje kunenye i-by-election eThabazimbi. Siyakhona kusasa. Siyanyuka, siyakhona maqabane. Nakhona sinethemba ngoba abantu ababephethe lapha bahlomekile. Sinethemba ukuthi sizoyithola le award Kune-election khona mhla ngolwesibili nangolwesithathu next week siyakhona. Enye i-achievement yethu siwumkhonto wesizwe sesisebenzile silwela i-black unity. Wathi baba wethu uNcamalala i-black unity balekile kuthina ngoba singabantu abamnyama namanje niyabona singamaphatha amaningi. We're disintegrated. So for us, we must take a lead to ensure that there is black unity. To that end, in Parliament, we work with other progressive formations. Kukhona iphathi engiyithandayo lapha kuthiwa i-ATM among other progressive formations, ne-NCC, okuthiwa i-National Coloured Convention. Ize belwela ama-rights, amalungelo, abantu bangamakhaladi, kodwa we're talking exactly the same language. Again, ilento yethu, umkhonto wesizwe, iwona convener that progressive caucus, which is meant to unite abantu abamnyama. We should be uniting abantu abamnyama, not just in Parliament. Kufanele kodwa sibahlanganise abantu abamnyama, babumbane, nangaphandle kweParliament. Abelungu bahlangene. Abelungu bahlangene namanje mabili kuphela amaphatha abelungu. I-DA amadada bese kuba ile gang ontamo libukhuni kuphela. Enye i-achievement ma-Afrika sengeyokugcina le. Today as I stand here, we regard ourselves as a progressive party, a progressive liberation movement, a progressive formation whose task is to liberate the oppressed African people. When I say African, I'm using that term generically. It includes people of African descent. It includes South African colors and South African Indians. Viva Mkhonto, viva! Ma-Afrika sengizoqeda ukukhuluma ngidedela ubaba. eMoses Mabhida Stadium mhla ka-15 kule nyanga lesikuyona. Kusele nje insuku eziyishumi before siye khona. These are some of the things that we want to celebrate. These are some of the achievements that Umkhonto wesizwe wants to celebrate. As far as we are concerned, as the leadership of Umkhonto wesizwe, and I'm sure you would agree with me, we have done very well in a very short space of time against all the odds. Asishayela izandla. Viva Umkhonto wesizwe, viva! Viva Umkhonto wesizwe, viva! Njengamanje sizacela nonke ngothilwenu ukuthi i-celebration le ezoba seMabhida mhla ka-15 ni-support ngayo yonke indlela. Abanamasenta, abaneyimali, badoni ba-contribute, nanokuthi siye khona ngoba phela into yethu ma-Afrika. Siye khona. Ngizocela ke ngaphambi ukuthi ngihlale phansi ngibonge abantu bala kule ndawo ngokuthi basivotele baphume ngothi lwabo and voted for us. Were it not for your votes, I would not be standing in front of you talking about our achievements as Umkhonto wesizwe, which achievements have taken place within a very short space of time. I would not be here standing in front of you. We as Umkhonto wesizwe have a role to play. It is to free fellow black people from this human bondage of oppression. We have to free our people from the human bondage of oppression. We have to improve the quality of lives of our people. We must make sure that our land which belongs to us. We must make sure that our vast mineral resources are nationalized and they belong to the state, and those resources, those mineral resources, are shared equally by all South Africans. Umkhonto wesizwe will make sure that jobs are created for the benefit of everyone in this country, especially the youth, whose unemployment rate is very high. Ngizophetha ngokuthi baba Nxamalala sikhokhele. We want to achieve as umkhonto wesizwe zonke lezi zinto, sifuna ukuqhubeka sibheke phambili. Usekhona baba, uqinile, usesharp ngengqondo. Sicela usikhokhele, usinikeze i-guidance, useluleke Nxamalala, usikhokhele. Siyabonga Nxamalala wethu ngokusinika isikhathi sakho nokusinika ingqondo yakho ejulile kangaka nokusikhokhela sibe umkhonto wesizwe. Abangakufuniyo baba bayisola namhlanje, babengazi ukuthi bazothi bengakufuni nje ube inyama nembana, thina esikuthatha seriously sikulalele. Siyabonga baba. Viva Nxamalala, viva! Viva mkhonto wesizwe, viva! Long live Nxamalala, long live! Phansi ngobhejane! Phansi ngobhejane! Comrade Chair, thank you very much. Amandla!